Hello everyone, hi guys, I really welcome you all to this great session where I'll explain everything about the new opportunity what we have right now. And so guys, welcome and stay tuned with this session till the end. And this is a great opportunity of Axis Bank Deputy Manager position, right? And the profile would be relationship manager in priority banking. Let me explain step by step. First of all, this is not for freshers. This is for the experienced people. You must have a 1 year of experience in sales, and this particular my entire session would be in English. If you don't know English, then you have to log in. You have to just check description. In description link, there will be number of video links, right? Just go through those videos. There's a one video of how to learn English in free of cost. So guys, go and check video and learn from that video and make a note of it. All right, so guys, this is not for freshers, first of all, right? And for freshers, guys, you can check my last videos, whatever I have uploaded and recorded. So that actually for the freshers. Now, for the experienced people, all right, I'm sure guys, you must be working somewhere, but I'm not sure, even you are not sure that you will be getting a proper growth or proper increment or promotion or not, right? So if you are in that condition, you are in that situation, then this opportunity is for you. I do understand, like, we are Indians. Why I'm delivering all the things in English? The reason is very simple, because you will be getting interview calls. You will be getting your interview will be conducted in English language only, right? That's the reason I have to make all the videos in English. And again, Axis Bank also mentioned the same thing, that whatever we are delivering, whatever we are explaining for the job opportunity from Axis Bank, that must be in English or the bilingual, mostly in English, right? So guys, opportunities for deputy manager, priority banking, right? Priority banking is a segment. So in priority banking, the customer which you will be dealing with, that would be the priority customers who have a ticket size, like who have a income per annum, 15 lakhs per annum to 50 lakhs per annum. That sort of customer you will be dealing with, right? It's a on-roll opportunity. However, it's not a direct job, right? The opportunity, what I'm telling you right now, what I'm explaining, this is not a direct job, guys. It's a training program, because we just need the people who have 1 year of sales experience. Doesn't matter you have done your sales experience or sales work in any industry, whether it was FMCG, retail, any software sales, whatever, wherever you are working, must be worked in a sales, right? And the second thing is, you guys are fresher for the banking industry. That's why we will give you the proper training. 4 months of training would be there, right? 2 months of training would be the online. 2 months of training, you have to visit our Pune campus. So guys, we have a specific Pune campus. We have a specific campus at Pune for these kind of training programs, all right? So 2 months you will be there. You will be getting a proper training. You will be getting a proper accommodations, all right? And the stipend, 15,000 per month. However, I'll explain everything. Don't worry about that. But first, what would be the role and responsibility if you will become priority banking relationship manager, right? So guys, it would be the core sales role. It will be the core sales role where you have to manage sales. You will get a target and there will be pressure. So all the banking industry, work on this STP model, sales target pressure. This is STP model. So if you are working in a bank, if you're planning to work in a bank, then you must be aware with sales target pressure. There would be sales, there would be target, and pressure will be there if you're not able to meet the target. Right, this is reality, guys. And then second part is boss matter a lot, manager. So it depends on the manager, what sort of manager you are getting. If you're getting a good manager, then definitely your life will be very good, like a heaven. If you'll be getting a bad manager, bad boss, so you have to manage, you have to survive anyhow. All right, but again, depends on the approach, depends on your knowledge, depends on your strategy as well. All right, guys. So basically, the target you'll be getting to sell the products. Right, your roles would be, you will assign some data of the customers, right? Priority customers data will assign to you. You have to call on those data. You have to connect with the customer, and you have to do the physical meeting with them. Physical meeting. All right. So while you are doing your meeting, at that time you will have to understand the concern of the customers. Right. You have to understand the customer. You have to understand their business or whatever work they are doing. Right, and accordingly you have to pitch the some particular products. Products would be like current account, saving account, FD, RD. These are the core product what you have to sell. Along with, you have to pitch the some third party product as well, like investment or insurance, all right, and the cross selling product like loan or credit card as well. So guys, these are the multiple products which you will be dealing with your priority customers. All right, and it's a great opportunity. However, relationship manager is always the service and the sales. So guys, this is a kind of myth the people have. Relationship manager is a service role. Not at all. Relationship manager is a sales role. Guys, I actually worked in a bank for 12 years. And for specific relationship manager role, I worked around 5 to 6 years. And I'm very clear on this. Relationship manager is not into the service or operations job. Relationship manager job is more into the sales. Yes, that's true. You have to do service, but service will, why we will be doing service? Why we do service? Just to generate sales. That's the reality. So in priority banking, if you will be working as a relationship manager, then in that case also, you have to do service to generate sales. So guys, here the 50%, around 50%, yeah, approximate 50% of target you will be generating business from the existing customer, and around 50% of our remaining percent target you have to generate from the new customers. Generate business from the new customer. So you will be dealing with the new customer, you will be dealing with the existing customer as well. All right, so this would be your job, or the I would say the roles and responsibility. Guys, as I said, this is a training program, but let me clear this. You know, to become the relationship manager, deputy manager in a bank, it might take 3 years to 6 years. That's true. To get the job, to get the, to reach the position, or to reach at the segment of priority banking as a relationship manager, it generally takes 3 years to 6 years. That's reality. All right. But here, 12 months of PBRM Access Banking program, Access Bank program is giving an opportunity to get this position with 12 months of your sales experience and 12 months of your training. However, 4 months training, you will be getting a proper training, which would include your classroom training as well. And after 4 months, that would be from 5 months, you will start working with bank. So guys, from 5th month, you will start working with bank, but doesn't mean it would be a training. No, it would be a proper job, proper target will assign to you, proper sales you have to generate, proper sales you have to close at that time, right, from the 5th month of your training. Because you will start getting the full salary, and in this position, the salary would be between 40,000 to 45,000 in hand salary I'm talking about. So from the 5th month of your training, you will start getting full salary along with your full-time job, right? You will be working full-time. All right. So it's a great opportunity, everyone. The relationship manager, and as I told you, you will be working as the relationship manager in the bank. However, so sir, what you guys might raise your question. So what would be the career path in relationship manager? First of all, you have to learn how to close sales, how to do sales. You have to learn how to manage pressure. You have to learn how to fulfill or beat the targets, right? So here, guys, relationship manager, I have just made this, what exactly the relationship manager, how relationship manager get a proper growth. So a general relationship manager, that's a retail relationship manager, work in a retail banking. Customer handle these sort of accounts, right? These are the main products, and the salary 4.5 to 7 LPA, right? If you will become a priority relationship manager in Axis Bank, this is your position. So your salary would be 6.3 to 9.5 LPA. So as you right now, your salary would be between 6.3 lakhs to 6.8 lakhs. But once you will get experience, once you will be experienced, then your salary will get increased as per your customers, right? As per your customer ticket size. Then after few years of experience, you might get a job of, or you might get an opportunity, Burgundy relationship manager. You might get Burgundy relationship manager. So where you will be dealing with Burgundy banking would be the segment, right? And customer will be highly net worth individuals, and the salary 10 LPA to 16 LPA. Guys, remember, here also you will be working as a relationship manager, but your salary 10 LPA to 16 LPA. Then there is an again second option, other option, NRI relationship manager. So this is a segment of NRI banking where the RMs deal with non-resident customers, and the package 6 LPA to 12 LPA. That's approximate package only. So it depends on the banks to banks. Now the next is business banking relationship manager. The segment is business banking, right? The customer handle the mid-corporate companies, and the salary is 6 to 10 LPA. So guys, these are the type of relationship manager. Trust me, no one is going to tell you this, right? No one is going to tell you this. Now, corporate relationship manager, large corporate companies, right? And the package is 12 LPA to 25 LPA, depend on the number of experience, depend on the net worth of the company you are dealing. Then we have a wealth relationship manager, wealth banking segment. Customer is ultra HNI customers, and the salary package 12 LPA to 25 LPA or more than that. Again, depend on the experience of relationship manager and the net worth of the company what the RM is dealing. Right. The next is agri relationship manager. Then again, farmer and agri business that are customer, and package is 5 LPA to 9 LPA. Senior relationship manager, premium portfolio, salary is 12 to 20 or more than that. So guys, these are the sort of relationship manager. If you will start working as a relationship manager in priority banking, then you can get into these profiles as well, like Burgundy relationship manager, like corporate relationship manager, NR relationship manager, or you can also get into commercial banking group relationship manager or wealth relationship manager. So you will have lots of great opportunity. This is the program, guys, for them, those who are already working in sales, like sales officer in any of the banks, right? So you guys are really eligible. This program is actually a beneficial journey for you. All right. Now, very important part, lots of candidates get stuck on this career growth track in banking. If I am working as a relationship manager, then what would be the salary package? As I mentioned, to become a relationship manager in priority banking, basically it generally takes 4 to 6 years, 6 LPA to 9 LPA, right? Then you can become senior relationship manager or assistant branch manager or deputy branch manager. Package would be 9 to 13 LPA. Then after few years, total 8 to 12 years of experience, you can become branch head. Salary package 12 LPA to 20 plus LPA, depend on the experience of a particular person who is becoming branch head. All right. Then we have a cluster head, 18 to 30 LPA. Then after a few years of experience, you can become area head or regional head. Like salary would be 25 LPA to 45 LPA or more than that, depend on the experience. So this is the career path if you will become relationship manager. All right, guys. So this is the operation track as well, sales track as well. Lots of things I actually drafted over here. This is very beneficial. This is very good. No one actually tell you. Correct. Now the next, if I'm talking about this program, so it's a great opportunity, as I mentioned, right? Salary is the package 6.3 LPA. It's a starting package, in hand 40,000, minimum 40,000, right? So guys, let me just tell you how it will happen. So you have to, if you will fulfill the eligibility. So eligibility is very simple. Let me just tell you the eligibility first, right? So guys, eligibility is, let me just tell you that. Okay, I'll tell you here. So guys, eligibility, as I told you, the 1 year of sales experience, right? Doesn't matter where you have done your sales is experience is mandatory with your proof, with your documented proof, right? Like offer letter, relieving letter and salary slips. Offer letter, relieving letter and salary slips, important, right? These are important. And the second thing is your graduation. So graduation must be 50% with regular college. Listen to me carefully. Graduation must be 50% with regular college. 10th, 12th, 50% with regular school. Open school, distance college won't work over here. Right? 10th, 12th, graduation must be minimum 50%. Whatever, any specialization will work. Any specialization will work. Right? And the regular college. This is the one. Second one is 1 year of sales experience, any sector, any industry. If you have worked in BFSI, that would a preference, right? But sales would be important. would mandatory. Now the third one is age. Lots of candidates have messaged me or keep messaging me, sir, I am 27, I'm 28, I'm 29, I'm not getting a job, sir, I'm a fresher. So guys, here also, if you have 1 year of sales experience minimum in any sector, then age 23 years to 30 years. 23 years to 30 years, up to 30 years. Your age at the time of filling the application, your age must be less than 30 or up to 30. Right? So these three eligibility criteria, if you'll fulfill the criteria, if you'll fulfill these three things, then guys, apply, check the description box, you will get a link, apply over there, right? So you will be a part of great opportunity, right? Okay. So let me just tell you how this, once you will apply over there, then what will happen? You have to register yourself. You have to register yourself. You have to do one registration of 299 rupees. So guys, 299 is the cost of the registration. Why we have kept this 299? The reason is very simple. The portal in which you will give a test, the portal in which you will take a test, that is actually have some cost. So to bear that particular cost, we are just charging 299. The cost of that portal, I'll tell you that also, to something 350 rupees. I think more than that. Approximately 350 rupees would be the cost, but we are charging 299. Right? Because earlier the charge of that particular portal 299 only, but it got increased. However, we have not increased the charges from the students. So that's why we are just charging 299 rupees just to bear that particular cost. You have to complete the test, right? Once you will complete the assessment, in this assessment, I personally will give you the training. All right, guys. So training would be related to English, maths, reasoning. So these sort of questions will get asked in this assessment part, right? Once you will complete this assessment, then you will have your Career247 panel interview, right? So the experts, the senior faculties from Career247 will conduct your interview. They will just analyze you in terms of your banking knowledge, in terms of your introduction, in terms of your how you present yourself, your communication. Few parameters would be there. On that basis, they will evaluate you. All right. Once you will clear this Career247 interview, then you will have your final interview with Axis Bank experts. A regional head, my circle head, or a cluster head will conduct an interview. They will ask some questions on related to some parameters as I mentioned, right? And then they will shortlist you. If you will get shortlisted, then you will get a proper provisional offer letter, guys. Right? So you have to accept the provisional offer letter with your one enrollment charges. All right, guys. So total fees of this program, total investment which is involved, that is 2,65,500 rupees. 2,65,500 is a total investment. What is involved? Total fees is involved, right? So guys, now the thing is that I do understand lots of people will not be going to pay this at one shot. You won't have to do that. Right? So 2,65,500 within this amount, once you will get a offer letter, once you will complete the entire interview process, once you will get shortlisted, then you will get an offer letter. So at the time of offer letter, you have to pay 29,500 rupees. 29,500 rupees you have to pay, and the rest amount, right, 2,65,500 minus 29,500, whatever amount would be there, that amount you will get from Axis Bank. That is the best part. Right? So Axis Bank will help you. The Axis Bank will give you the loan. All right. So you will get a loan, and the EMI of that loan will get started from after 15 months. So after 15 months, your EMI will get started. Right? So this is the good part of the program. Right? You won't have to bother for paying your EMIs. Once you will get settled, once you will get start working properly, then after 15 months, from 16 months, your first EMI will get charged. All right. So this is going to happen, and the training, so guys, 3 to 4 months, I'll tell you. First month and second month, so it's a 12 months of training program. First and second month, online training would be there. No stipend. You won't get any stipend first and second months. Third and fourth month, you will have your training at campus, Pune campus. You won't have to charge any extra. You won't have to pay any extra charges, right? And you will get stipend 15,000 per month. Third month, 15,000. Fourth month, 15,000. Then from fifth month, you will get a posting. You will get a branch. right? And you will start working over there, and you will get complete salary of 40,000 to 45,000, depend on the location. What location you are getting? You are getting metro city, you are getting urban, semi-urban, or rural. So these are the tier cities what bank has been bifurcated, right, guys? So in the entire 12 months, you will earn 3,50,000, more than 3,50,000 rupees. And what you spent, 2,65,000 you invested, and you will earn 3,50,000, even more than that. All right. So guys, these are the few glimpses. These are the like online session was going on, and so these were the candidates who just joined, and you can see we have Tripti, we have like Tripti has just she's from Axis Bank. She's just addressing the entire batch, right? So we have a Vipul. So Vipul is also from the top management of senior management of Axis Bank. So he was addressing the entire batch. So guys, these are the PBRM batch, PBRM, Priority Banking Relationship Manager batches, early batches, and you can see the transformation in these people. So these are the people who used to work somewhere as a sales officer or entry level role, and after few months of training, after 4 months of training, including 2 months virtual and 2 months classroom, these are the transformation what you will be seeing in yourself as well, right? How do you, so banking is all about, how do you present yourself? How do you communicate? How do you, what is the grooming in you? So these involved in your personality. So will change entire things. You can see, guys, you can see these people, the transformation, what they have made, right? And so after 12 months of training, what you will be getting? Grade Deputy Manager, Profile Relationship Manager in Priority Banking, full-time job with Axis Bank, salary 40,000 to 45,000, depend on your location, and postgraduate diploma in Relationship Management. So these entire thing you will be getting after 12 months. So guys, if you fulfill your eligibility criteria, I request you, there is a form in description, just apply over there, just do your registration and start your career. If you have any concern, if you want to connect with me, you can ask your counselor or the coordinator. They will definitely conduct one-on-one meeting with me. Alright guys, so thank you so much for being a great audience. It's a great opportunity for the people who really want to build up their career in banking sector, and that is Axis Bank, which is third largest private sector bank in India, and good opportunity for the people who worked in sales. I'll tell you one more thing, guys. If you are getting package like 5 LPA, around 5 LPA, more than 5 LPA, then it doesn't make sense. Again, it depends on you, because this is an opportunity. One more thing, if you can handle sales, target and pressure, then this industry is for you. If you're not able to manage sales or target or pressure, then I request you, do not, no need to be a part of any banking. You can join any other industry. Alright guys, thank you so much. Great day, and take care everyone. God bless you. All the best. Like this video.